Plums are in season, and you can create many things out from plums. You can dry them to preserve, or even to do jams, or even plum sauce. Plum sauce goes well with anything, especially with pork. You can marinate different kinds of meat with the plum sauce, and even can use this as a dipping sauce for spring rolls or even rice paper rolls. So I'm using about 1 kilo of fresh plums. Salt always to your taste. Here I have few different spices: cinnamon, cloves, pepper and fennel. Use as you like it. And garlic, ginger and onion. About half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of paprika, few green and red chilies, and half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Spices always you can adjust to your taste, and this is a really good recipe that you can try. I'm going to use this tea strainer to do the spices. Take the plums and get the seeds out. These are blood plums and the color is really nice. If you are very pedantic, you can peel this off before adding into the blender. Twist and get the seed out. So the plums are ready. Into that add the paprika, the chilies, and enough salt. Then the onion, ginger and garlic. Add the apple cider vinegar and then the sugar. Close the lid and blend it until smooth. So it is ready. Now into a pot, pour the plum juice over a strainer. It's ready now. Clear plum juice is here. Now into that add the spices. So when you put the tea strainer, you can take it back without any spices in the sauce. If not, you can use a cheesecloth or muslin cloth. Now put the pan on the stove and bring it to boil. The reason why I added white sugar to keep the color of the plum. You can always go for brown sugar. Bring it to boil and then reduce the heat and cook, stirring once in a while on low heat. Plum sauce is ready and it already thickened. This is the consistency for the plum sauce. So I'm going to take the spices out, discard the spices, and make sure to put the sauce in sterilized jars, and you can serve with meat, or even you can use to marinate your barbecue too. Hope you will try this. See you next time.